Hi, my name is Junki. So today I will be making okonomiyaki. It is famous in Japan and it's a Japanese food. Also, it is a type of pizza and I like okonomiyaki. It is my favorite food. Salt 4 cc, wheat flour 30 cc, cornstarch 15 cc, two big eggs or 3 small eggs, sausage, long onion, spring onion, and cabbage.
I think with the hand, not the knife.
So we cut and wash all the meat and vegetables in one whole bowl. Now we put salt, and wheat flour, wheat flour, and cornstarch. So then I mix all of the meats and salt all together in one whole bowl. And after mixing it all, you need to crack the egg and put over the bowl. And then we put it over here. And also then again we need to mix it again. So you mix until it's really mixed like this. And also it should be yellow because you added eggs on it. Like this. So we need to preheating until it's hot. And then if it's hot, you need to put oils on it. I think this is okay. Don't put it too much. So next we put the vegetables and meat on the fry pan. Here. this. So you wait for 3 minutes. Then, after 3 minutes, you need to flip over. Finally, you need to put it into the plates. Over here. Like this. Now we're going to put Japanese sauce and mayonnaise and dried fish. And in Japanese, it is called katsuobushi. Finally, I make my homemade okonomiyaki and I am going to try it now. It's delicious. They're my mother's. I hope you enjoy my video recipe and I hope you follow my introduction and also enjoy okonomiyaki with your family. Bye bye.